This is a tricky one because it's about, I would say, 20 feet in the air. I don't really have a place to put a ladder under it, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to crawl up on here and then pop that little lip right there on that side right there. So I've got to replace this 9-volt in that thing right there. But here's the problem. I got to crawl up on here and then reach over and pop it. So I got to step on this, and then I'm going to put the battery there, and hopefully I don't kill myself. We'll see. Oh my God. Okay, so here goes. You ready? Okay. All right, so this pops down. And look, there's 2 of them in here. Shit. That one. Let's see if I can just change the one. See if it stops. I have to get another battery. Shit. Oh, we might be good. Gotta get another battery. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm coming. So we replaced that one. Now we gotta get this one out of there. Okay, I got it. And I believe I go this way. All right, that should do it. I hope. We'll see. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh my God. Oh. That's the best area for changing the battery. Oh Jesus, it's not working. Unbelievable.